If you're referring to a car with a 2-liter engine and air conditioning, RAC, here are the general details you can expect. 1. Engine specifications: 2-liter. Engine capacity 2.0 liters, typically 1998 cc. Engine type, usually an inline 4-cylinder, either naturally aspirated or turbocharged. Power output ranges from 150 HP to 300 HP, depending on the car model and tuning. Torque, approximately 200 to 400 Nm, depending on whether it's petrol or diesel. Fuel type, petrol, gasoline or diesel. Transmission, manual, automatic or dual clutch, DCT. Drivetrain, FWD, front-wheel drive, AWD, all-wheel drive, or RWD, rear-wheel drive. Air conditioning, a system, type standard or automatic climate control. Features, dual-zone or multi-zone climate control in higher-end models. Rear RAC vents, common in sedans and SUVs. Air filtration system, to remove dust and allergens. Adjustable fan speed and temperature settings. Cooling capacity, designed to cool the cabin efficiently, even in hot climates. 3. Performance, 0 to 100 km per hour. 0 to 62 miles per hour, typically 6 to 9 seconds, depending on the car's power and weight. Top speed around 200 to 250 km per hour, 125 to 155 miles per hour. Fuel efficiency, petrol, approximately 710 liters 100 kilometers, 33 to 28 mpg. Diesel, approximately 5 to 8 liters 100 kilometers, 47 to 35 mpg. 4. Common models with 2-liter engines and RAC. Volkswagen Golf GTI 2.0L. Turbocharged petrol engine with dual-zone AC. Toyota RAV4 2.0L petrol. Engine with automatic climate control. BMW 3 Series 2.0L. Turbocharged petrol diesel. Engine with advanced climate control. Honda Civic 2.0L. Naturally aspirated engine with standard AC. 5 additional features. Infotainment system. Touchscreen display. Bluetooth and smartphone integration. Safety features: ABS. Airbags, traction control, and parking sensors. Comfort features: leather seats, sunroof, and adjustable steering. If you're looking for details about a specific car model with a 2-liter engine and RAC, let me know.